Domain 3, Instruction. The importance of Domain 3. Domain 3, Instructional Effectiveness for Student Learning, depends on Domains 1 and 2 for success. Without a structure for instruction and a productive learning environment, content delivery will be affected and student learning will be diminished. Domain 3 can be observed in the classroom, unlike Domain 1. While the teacher delivers content instruction, students are engaged in the process of learning and involved in decision-making when possible. The teacher helps students see the value of learning the content by making connections to other disciplines and to students' lives. An educational leader promotes the success of every student by acting with integrity, fairness, and in an ethical manner. To meet 3A, communicating with students, the teacher's verbal and written communication is clear and appropriate to students' age, background, and level of understanding. To meet 3B, using questioning and discussion techniques, the teacher's questions are appropriate to the content and level of students' understanding. The teacher encourages students to pose questions, is responsive to student questions, and facilitates student-led discussions. To meet 3C, engaging students in learning, the content is appropriate, clear, and linked to student knowledge and experience. The content is also aligned with the district curricula and the Montana Content and Common Core standards. Activities and assignments engage all students. Instructional materials are suitable to the instructional goals. The instruction is coherent and paced appropriately for all students. To meet 3D, using assessment in instruction, the teacher demonstrates understanding of assessment for and of learning and how each plays a valuable part in teaching and learning. The teacher analyzes data presented in reports and determines how to plan instruction for students in the classroom. The teacher uses formative assessments, such as observations, homework, and conferences, to track and understand student progress. And finally, to meet 3E, demonstrating flexibility and responsiveness, the teacher has a repertoire of instructional strategies and makes use of them to make modifications to lessons as needed. The teacher differentiates instruction based on learner characteristics and achievement data. Teaching methods. No single method of teaching is advocated. Rather, the use of a variety of methods is encouraged. Variety may range from direct instruction of content, facilitated learning of student groups, and collaborative projects. The teacher motivates students through the implementation of planned activities. Students receive feedback on progress from their teacher and peers. There is excitement about learning that can come from the design and delivery of instruction. The materials generate thoughtful questions and require students to use critical thinking skills. The teacher uses a variety of questioning techniques to engage student thinking. Students are encouraged to take responsibility for learning and are supported and guided by the teacher. Technology is skillfully used by the teacher as appropriate to the lesson and the learner. Some examples of evidence of Domain 3 include instructional materials, student work, written feedback provided to students, copies of assessments, scoring guides and rubrics, homework assignments, and video and audio of student performances.